This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to run sales tax reports in Wave Accounting. Whether you're a small business owner or just managing finances, being able to generate accurate sales tax reports is essential for staying compliant and understanding your business's financial health. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to handle sales tax reporting with ease. Let's get started with the process. First, you need to access the Reports section in Wave Accounting. On the left-hand navigation sidebar layout, you'll find various options. Look for the one labeled Reports and click on it. This section is your go-to place for all kinds of financial data that Wave can generate for you. If you're new to Wave, taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout can be really beneficial, as it's packed with useful insights about your business. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll want to scroll down until you reach the Taxes category. Here, you'll see an option labeled Sales Tax Report. Click on this, and it will take you to the next stage of setting up your report. This specific report is designed to help you review the sales tax you've collected and paid, making it an invaluable tool for preparing your tax filings. Now that you're in the Sales Tax Report section, it's time to configure your report parameters. This step is crucial because it tailors the report to your specific needs and ensures the data is both accurate and relevant. You'll need to specify the time period for which you want to generate the report. This could be a specific month, a quarter, or even an entire fiscal year, depending on your reporting needs. Additionally, you might have the option to filter by specific sales tax jurisdictions if your business operates in multiple areas. This is particularly important for businesses that sell in different regions with varying tax rates. Make sure to double-check this information, as it will directly impact the accuracy of your report. Once your parameters are set, you're ready to generate the report. At this stage, Wave Accounting will compile all the relevant data to provide you with a comprehensive view of your sales tax situation. This report will show you the total sales tax collected over the specified period and any sales tax paid on purchases. It's a detailed summary that provides insights into your tax obligations and helps you ensure that everything is accounted for when it's time to file your taxes. After reviewing the report, you have the option to export it for your records or to share with your accountant. Most often, there will be an export button or option at the top of the report page. Exporting your report can be done in various formats, such as PDF or Excel, depending on what you find most useful. Having a digital or printed copy allows you or your accountant to further analyze the data and ensures you have the necessary documentation for tax filings. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to run sales tax reports in Wave Accounting. This process not only aids in compliance, but also gives you a clearer picture of your business's financial obligations. Remember to regularly generate these reports to stay on top of your tax situation and make informed business decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on managing your business finances efficiently.